Solana value equivalent to $149.31 a coin. The present exchanged cost range $148.18, $153.53. The earlier day close $151.28. The change was 197, 130%. Backwards rate ICE to Sol. Dollar to Solana conjecture for July 2024. Before all else costs on 485 coins. Excessive costs on 485, while lows on 391. They arrived at the midpoint of costs on 445. The US to Sol conjecture toward the month's ends on 418. Change for July 13.8%. ICE to Sol expectation for August 2024. In the first place, costs on 418 coins. Exorbitant costs on 472, while lows of 410. They found the middle value of cost on 435. The US to Sol gauge toward the month's ends on 439. Change for August 5%. Dollar to Solana gauge for September 2024. Initially cost at on 439 coins. Excessive costs on 439, while lows of 355. They arrived at the midpoint of costs on 403. The US to Sol figure toward the month's ends 0.79. Change for September 13.7%. US to Sol expectation for October 2024. Initially cost at zone 379 coins. Excessive costs at 379, while lows in 306. They arrived at the midpoint of costs 0.48. The US to Sol figure toward the month's end 0.27. Change for October 13.7%. Dollar to Solana estimate for November 2024. To start with, cost at Zen 327 coins. Exorbitant costs 327, while lows onto at 63. They found the middle value of costs 300. The US to Sol estimate toward the month's end 82. Change for November 13.8%. US to Sol expectation for December 2024. At the outset, cost at 282 coins. Excessive cost on 282, while lows on 243. They arrived at the midpoint of costs on 267. The US to Sol conjecture toward the month's ends into 860. Change for December 7.8%. Dollar to Solana conjecture for January 2025. At the outset, cost at 260 coins. Excessive costs on 270, while lows on 234. They arrived at the midpoint of costs on 254. The US to Sol conjecture toward the month's ends on 251. Change for January 3.5%. US to Sol expectation for February 2025. First and foremost, cost at 251 coins. Exorbitant costs on 251, while lows on 202. They found the middle value of costs on 230. The US to Sol estimate toward the month's ends on 216. Change for February 13.9%. Dollar to Solana estimate for Walk 2025. Before all else, cost at 216 coins. Excessive costs on 227, while lows on 197. They arrived at the midpoint of cost on 213. The US to Sol figure toward the month's ends on 211. Change for spring 23%. US to Sol expectation for April 2025. At the outset, cost at 211 coins. Exorbitant costs on 222, while lows on 193. They found the middle value of costs on 208. The US to Sol estimate toward the month's ends on 287. Change for April 19%. Dollar to Solana estimate for May 2025. Initially cost at 207 coins. Excessive cost 287, while lows of 180. They arrived at the midpoint of costs on 197. The US to Sol figure toward the month's ends on 193. Change for May 6.8%. US to Sol expectation for June 2025. Initially cost at 193 coins. Exorbitant cost on 206, while lows on 179. They found the middle value of costs on 192. The US to Sol estimate toward the month's ends on 191. Change for June 1%. US to Sol expectation for August 2025. At the outset, cost at 187 coins. Excessive costs on 187, while lows on 151. They arrived at the midpoint of costs on 172. The US to Sol conjecture toward the month's ends on 162. Change for August 13.4%. Dollar to Solana conjecture for September 2025. At the outset, cost at 162 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.207, while lows on 162. They found the middle value of costs on 181. The US to Sol estimate toward the month's ends on 1.92, change for September 18.5%. US to Sol expectation for October 2025. First and foremost cost at 0.192 coins. Exorbitant costs on 246, while lows to 1.92. They found the middle value of cost down to 15. The US to Sol estimate toward the month's ends on 229, change for October 19%. Dollar to Solana figure for November 2025. Before all else cost it's on 229 coins. Excessive cost on 251, while lows on 218. They arrived at the midpoint of costs on 233. The US to Sol figure toward the month's ends on 234, change for November 2%. US to Sol expectation for December 2025. Before all else cost at 234 coins. Excessive cost on 238, while lows on 207. They arrived at the midpoint of costs on 225. The US to Sol conjecture toward the month's ends on 221, change for December 5.6%. Dollar to Solana conjecture for January 2026. At the outset cost at 221 coins. Excessive costs on 283, while lows in 221. They arrived at the midpoint of costs in 247. The US to Sol conjecture toward the month's ends in 263, change for January 19%. US to Sol expectation for February 2026. At the outset cost at 263 coins. Exorbitant costs on 263, while lows on 212. They found the middle value of costs on 241. The US to Sol estimate toward the month's ends on 227, change for February 13.7%. Dollar to Solana estimate for Walk 2026. First and foremost cost at 227 coins. Exorbitant costs on 291, while lows on 227. They found the middle value of costs on 254. The US to Sol estimate toward the month's ends on 270, change for spring 18.9%. US to Sol expectation for April 2026. Before all else cost at 270 coins. Excessive costs at 346, while lows on 270. They arrived at the midpoint of costs 302. The US to Sol conjecture toward the month's ends 0.22, change for April 19.3%. Dollar to Solana conjecture for May 2026. To start with cost at 322 coins. Exorbitant costs on 412, while lows 2022. They found the middle value of costs at 60. The US to Sol estimate toward the month's ends at 83, change for May 18.9%. US to Sol expectation for June 2026. First and foremost cost at 383 coins. Excessive costs at 383, while lows in 309. They arrived at the midpoint of costs at 351.